How effective is Delamanid for drug-resistant TB? Imagine battling a tough strain of tuberculosis that refuses to respond to usual medicines. That's where Delamanid comes into play. It's a newer drug designed specifically to fight drug-resistant tuberculosis, including multi-drug-resistant and rifampin-resistant types. Since its approval in 2014 by the European Medicines Agency, Delamanid has been a promising addition to treatment options, especially for cases where traditional drugs fail. Delamanid works by blocking the production of mycolic acids, which are vital components of the tuberculosis bacteria's cell wall. Without these, the bacteria can't survive or multiply. This mechanism makes Delamanid effective against strains that are resistant to first-line drugs like isoniazid and rifampin. Clinical trials have shown mixed results, but overall suggest that Delamanid can help improve treatment outcomes. In early studies, a phase 2 trial found that adding Delamanid to standard therapy increased the rate of sputum culture conversion at 2 months. This means more patients had no detectable bacteria in their sputum early on, which is a good sign of effective bacterial clearance. About 45% of patients on Delamanid plus standard treatment converted compared to roughly 30% on standard therapy alone. However, a later phase 3 trial did not show a significant difference in culture conversion at 6 months between those who received Delamanid and those who did not. This indicates that while early bacterial clearance is promising, the long-term benefits might be less clear or harder to measure. Real-world studies give us more insight. For example, a large study across 14 countries looked at patients with multi-drug-resistant or rifampin-resistant tuberculosis treated with Delamanid along with other second-line drugs like bedaquiline, linezolid, and clofazimine. The results were encouraging, showing high treatment success rates and no significant increase in heart-related side effects, which can be a concern with these medications. Combining Delamanid with other effective drugs seems to boost the chances of curing difficult cases of drug-resistant TB. Safety is an important aspect. Delamanid is generally well tolerated, but it requires careful monitoring, especially for heart effects like prolongation of the QT interval. This can be managed with regular electrocardiograms and dose adjustments if needed. In summary, Delamanid is a valuable tool in the fight against drug-resistant tuberculosis. It helps clear bacteria early in treatment and, when used with other effective drugs, can lead to better outcomes. While some studies show mixed results on long-term benefits, the overall evidence supports its role as part of a comprehensive treatment plan. It's not a cure on its own but a significant step forward in managing complex TB cases. Always remember, treatment should be guided by healthcare professionals who can tailor therapy to each individual's needs. From the perspective of tuberculosis as a disease, Delamanid offers hope for many patients facing tough-to-treat infections, but careful medical supervision remains essential for safe and effective use.